Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a blog on your WordPress site. So let's get right into it. Now, thankfully, WordPress does have a built-in functionality for making posts akin to blogs, which you can freely use on your site. So you don't really have to play around with any plugins or things like that. Every site in it has a built-in functionality which can turn it into blog at any point, so you can freely use it. Now, from your dashboard, what you need to do is go into posts, and you can go into all posts or add new posts. I'll just go into all posts for now, and as you can see, you have your menu right over here. Now you have a list of all your posts. As you can see, I already have one which I will be deleting just to show you guys how this is done. So let's go ahead and delete it. And for some reason there was an error. I'm pretty sure this might be even a default one, but as you can see, there is not a post anymore, so I'm not sure why the error happened. Possibly because it tried to delete it twice. But yeah, what you want to do if you want to create a blog, just click on add new post, and that's gonna open up the post editor. Now once you're done with that, there we go, you can add the title. So let's just write test, and you can write test here as well, and then you can go ahead and publish this post. And once you're done with that, that should be pretty much it. And yeah, as you can see, you now have your link over here, which you can copy and share with people who want to see your blog. This will be a live page as well, so people who visit your site will be able to freely access it whenever they visit your site from the menu. And that is basically all there is to it. You can view it from here. You can quick edit, copy the post as well, and also edit it fully here. But that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.